Meaning of high power.
High power.
High power.
High power.
High power. High power typically refers to a product or device that has a significant amount of energy output or capability, relative to other similar products or devices. Examples of high-power products include high-powered laser pointers, high-powered car engines, and high-powered computers with advanced processing capabilities. The use of high power results in increased performance and efficiency, but may also come with added costs and risks. It is important to carefully consider the intended use and potential consequences before investing in or using high-power products.